What is going on, crypto fiends? Thank you as always for tuning into the channel. In this video, we're going to be doing a step-by-step guide on how to navigate the crypto.com mobile application. Whether it's trading, swapping, sending, spending, this is the video to watch. Now, before we jump into that, I do want to shout out today's winner for $100 in Bitcoin. If you guys aren't aware, we are giving away $100 in Bitcoin to one subscriber in every single video. And all you have to do to make sure you're entered in is leave a comment down below on the video and be subscribed to the channel. Now, if this is your complete first time to crypto.com, you're first going to want to go to the iOS App Store or Google Play Store and download the app. Now, something to know is that although they are called crypto.com, you cannot utilize their features on a desktop just yet, at least. You have to do it all through the mobile app on your phone. So once you download the app, you can simply open it up. And if it is your first time, you will have to fill out some basic information like your email, some more personal stuff like your social security number. This is all normal and precautionary when signing up to their platform, and most of the time your verification process won't take very long at all. It could take up to a day or so, but usually it can be done within 10 to 15 minutes and then you're in your account. Now, if it is your first time and you want to get a free $25 onto your account, completely free, feel free to use the referral code CryptoFiend with no space when signing up on the home page of the app. You will get $25 and I will also get $25 as well. So it's a win-win situation. Now, once you get yourself all logged into your account, this is going to be the home screen that you see. Now, you're not going to have any money on your account because you're just getting started, or maybe you even do have some funds on there, but you want to learn more about how to navigate the app. This is the big thing I love about crypto.com. The user interface is so sexy, to say the least. Personally, I think this is the best app in the crypto space to have everything in one place when it comes to trading, spending, selling, buying, whatever it is. This is the place to be. So as you can see right off the bat, you have that big beautiful dollar sign showing you how much is currently on your account, and also the fluctuation over the past 24 hours. So as we can see, I lost $1,000 in the past 24 hours. That is not fun. So that's that. And then of course you have that little dollar, that little eyeball, if you want to blur that out so nobody can see it around you. So we're gonna just start from the top and work our way down so we don't get confused. So at the top right, we have our missions. This is a fun little thing that crypto.com added not too long ago, where once you do certain tasks throughout the app, you'll earn diamonds. And this is my vault. So in my vault, I can look down and see all the different challenges I can do to earn more diamonds, and I can see how many diamonds I can earn by doing so. So for example, if I buy or sell $500 worth of crypto, I'll earn 60 diamonds. And then once I do that, I can actually unlock stuff. I can unlock boxes with my diamonds, and then I can also make purchases like with NFTs and that sort of thing. And the fun part about this is it's all free. You know, you earn this stuff by just doing stuff on the app. For example, we could see I've earned 3.7 CRO by opening different loot boxes and that sort of thing. So this is something, like I said, they added not too long ago, but it's a fun little thing to do for them to give to us to incentivize us to spend a little bit more, trade a little bit more, interact with the app a little bit more. So that's that. At the top left, of course, you have your settings tab. This is where you can manage all your languages. You can enable Face ID, your two-factor authenticator. If you need to contact support, you would do it through the settings tab as well. Anything relating to the fine details of your account will be at the top left corner of the app. Now, coming down right below the dollar amount, we have buy, sell, deposit, and pay. Pretty self-explanatory if you ask me. Now, if we hit the buy button, we get a long list of cryptocurrencies that are currently offered on crypto.com that we can purchase. So for example, If I wanted to purchase Ethereum, I could hit Ethereum, and then it would give me a couple different options to buy Ethereum with. If I wanted to use Apple Pay, I could do that, which is a very new feature. And then you can also add different payment methods like a debit or credit card. You can also buy Ethereum with other cryptocurrencies. So if I hit crypto, it shows me that I have a certain amount of CRO and a certain amount of USDT that I could use to purchase Ethereum with as well. I could also select if I want to do a one-time buy, a recurring buy, or a target price buy. So if I want to buy Ethereum once per week, I could do recurring. If I want to buy Ethereum at a very specific price point, I could do a target price as well. So that's that section. Under the sell, pretty self-explanatory. It's the complete same layout as buy, but it's the opposite. So if I wanted to sell Ethereum, as you can see, I have 2.5 Ethereum. If I wanted to sell that to USDT, I could do that, or I could do another cryptocurrency as well. Under the deposit tab, this is for if I want to deposit crypto or fiat currency to my account. Fiat currency as in US dollars, euros, etc. This is actually how you will fund your account. So if you are completely new to crypto.com, this is your first time opening the app, this is the main section you want to focus on. So you would want to go to fiat. You want to select your currency. For me, it's the US dollar. And then you want to choose the method to add funds to your account. So you could do a link bank account, no fee, instant. You could do a bank deposit, which could take between 3 to 5 days. There's no fee, or a wire transfer as well, which takes 1 to 2 days, no fees as well. So you would just choose which one you want to use, and then it'll show you your routing number and account number. This is the information you would use with your bank to have your funds sent to your crypto.com account. Now, if we hit deposit again and we do crypto, it's a very similar thing. So for example, if I want to deposit Ethereum, it would show me my Ethereum address, and then this is what I would use to fund my account. I would send the crypto to this address. And then they also do have a large variety of other chains at the top as well, other networks. So you have Kronos, Polygon, AVAX, and some other ones as well. And then lastly, we have the pay button. Under the pay button, this is where, of course, you can purchase things. For example, under here, you can actually get discounts by purchasing these products through crypto.com. So if you're looking to pick up a ledger, you could purchase a ledger through here and save up to 10% by doing so. And then there's a variety of other products as well that you could purchase through here and save a little bit of money by doing it this way. You could also purchase gift cards through the pay feature with 310 brands. This is 310 brands in the US, but it might be different wherever you live. Airtime is for your phone if you need to top up your data on your phone. You can also scan QR codes to make purchases. You can send to friends and family, which this is a feature I use quite often. It's just like Venmo. I highly, highly recommend it, especially if you want friends or family to really get involved in crypto. Phenomenal option. I can simply send my friend Dan CRO, say $100, and he will receive it instantly, and then he could do whatever he wants with it. And also, if you send CRO, you can get 10% back on that amount as well. And then you have your history tab also. So that's that top section. Moving down, we have our favorites tab. So of course, under the favorites tab, this is gonna show all the cryptocurrencies that you like. So this is a great little section to have, so you're not seeing all the noise or a bunch of cryptos that you're not a fan of. You can have the cryptos that you wanna see and nothing else right on the home page. And then if you scroll down, if you wanna see all the different cryptos out there and track them, you could do so as well. So let's say if we hit on Polygon, we could see some price movement. We can change from 1 day to 3 months. We could scroll down, see the market cap, the volume. We can get a little bit of information about Polygon itself. So again, if you're completely new to crypto, this is a really good resource to have. You can learn a little bit about the crypto you're looking at. Now, I wouldn't use just this information as the only research you do. Use this as a grain of salt. But if you scroll down, they do have the website to the crypto as well. So this is a great method to learn about different cryptocurrencies you have no clue about. And really, this really helps you dive in to the crypto space with the track option. The track option, I just navigated to it through the favorites tab, but here at the bottom right, you can also hit the track button and it will do the same exact thing. It'll show your favorites and also every other coin on the market, not just coins that they have listed on crypto.com. So going back to the home page, if we scroll down, we could see our top gainers for the day. We could see which cryptos are performing the best. And then if you scroll down a little further, this is a relatively new feature that crypto.com added to the mobile app. This allows you to dive into the world of NFTs. Crypto.com has their own NFT platform that allows you to buy, sell, create, trade different NFTs. And you can utilize all of this through the mobile app. So if I hit on NFT, as you can see, it shows all the different collections, the volume, and you can really browse through and see all the different stuff going on in the NFT space. This brought me to a browser page essentially, and this is where I could go in and look at my profile. So if we click on my profile, this is me. We can scroll down and see all the different NFTs that I have on my crypto.com account, crypto.org Genesis, and my main one that I purchased right here, my loaded lion. So yeah, that's the NFT section. It's really nice that they have it all included now. Before it was all separated and it just got, a little complex. And then lastly, here at the bottom of the app, you have the crypto.com news. So you can just scroll through here and see all the different news going on with crypto.com specifically. So you could see new listings, you could see cryptos that they have for recurring buys, and all that sort of stuff. So if you ever want to see anything new going on, scroll to the bottom and you can see it all right there. So you don't have to go to Twitter and look for it over there. Now that we're done with the home page, if we select the accounts tab, this will show us a breakdown of all of our accounts in the app. So as we can see, we have our crypto wallet, we have our crypto earn, we have our crypto.com Visa card, our fiat wallet, and crypto.com NFT wallet as well. Under the crypto wallet, you can see a breakdown of all the different cryptocurrencies that you have on your account, and you can access them. You can buy, sell, pay, transfer like we saw before. And then under the earn tab, this is where you can earn APR on your crypto holdings. So as you can see, I have earned roughly $1,300 over the course of about 2 years of using this on and off. I currently don't have anything in here, but if you hit the plus sign, for example, and hit Chronos as an example, I could see the different APRs for my cryptocurrency for the CRO token. So for the 3-month term, I could get anywhere from 1% to 6%. And then if I select all this, and then as you can see, if I do tier 1, I have to lock up X amount, and then I can get that 6% a year, which will be locked up for 3 months at a time. So if you have a lot of crypto holdings that you're just letting sit idle on your account, you don't plan to sell them anytime soon or anything like that, Crypto Earn is a phenomenal option to go with if you want to just earn a little bit extra onto your account for literally doing nothing. It doesn't cost anything. You don't get charged anything. They pay you for locking up your funds. You get paid out every 7 days to your account instantly, and you get instant access to those funds that are deposited onto your account. So that's crypto earn. Under the crypto.com Visa card, which can also be accessed from the bottom right corner, I'm not going to be going into all the fine details of the Visa cards in this video because it can get very extensive. But to put it simply, crypto.com has 5 different tiers of Visa cards that offer a variety of perks with them. So for example, I have the Rose Gold card that gives me 3% back on all purchases. We can actually look at it right here. 3% back on all purchases. I get free Netflix, Prime, and Spotify, airport lounge access. I get 8% CRO staking rewards on my CRO that's locked up for the card. And then I also get 10% back on Expedia and a couple other little things here and there. So that's my card. Again, there are 5 different cards, and I can always make a separate video looking more in depth on that. But this is the card section. And then of course, you can see all my recent purchases. I can top up directly from this page and select if I want to top up with Tether, Ethereum, any crypto I want. I could also top up with different debit or credit cards or even PayPal. And then I can also top up from the fiat wallet as well. So that's the card tab. Now, the last thing I want to show you guys is if you hit the bottom logo in the middle, this will show you pretty much another breakdown of everything we just looked at before, but it'll also show you a couple other little features that were a little bit harder to find. For example, the target price, reoccurring price, and that sort of thing. And it's all laid out very nicely. As you can see, there's a trade section, a spend section, a finance section, an earns a bonus section, and more. And then if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you can also get up to 25% off with booking.com when you book through the crypto.com app. And that's really it, guys. It can't get that much easier. Like I said before, if you want to get a free $25 onto your account for signing up, use the referral code CryptoFiend with no space. You and myself will get 25 bucks, so we might as well not let it go to waste, because if you already signed up and didn't use the code, unfortunately it is too late to get that $25 bonus. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will do my absolute best to answer all of them. This is my nearly 4th year of using the crypto.com mobile app, and to this day I cannot find a better product on the market. And remember, one of you that do leave a comment will be receiving $100 in Bitcoin in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next.